Well, hello friends and followers. Here it is indeed a Tuesday evening. This is again the Heathkit HP20 utility power supply. And I'm getting a bit of hum on the World War II BC654 Alpha radio, a little bit of hum when I transmit. I'm not quite sure yet what's going on, but this old power supply here had a bunch of old capacitors in here. So you can see they have I want the 500 volt supply here, which is really 750 volts. So they had 40 microfarads here and 125 here. So I put in like 42 microfarads here. These are 22s in, I guess 44. These are 22 microfarads in parallel, 450 volts. And these large capacitors here, which are large cans inside the unit, I've paralleled some 100 UF capacitors across these. These are these capacitors here, right here, and those are large cans that are isolated from ground. So anyway, we'll see how that works out. Just put the lid back on and lid back on for safety in case something explodes. Capacitors will explode. Anyway, I took out all these capacitors here. They had a couple of these can type things in here that were, who knows how old these are, but I took these out and I bypassed these two. So these could be leaky, I don't know, but that should cure any kind of problems with 100 UFs across there. So we'll see how this turns out. This thing has a voltage doubler. I guess my only other worry is I might have made it more efficient and I'll go over voltage, over 500 volts, but I guess we'll see how that works out. And I think this stuff is for the other power supply in here, which is the minus power supply for the bias. I think that's 20 UF, 20 UF. That could be a 20 UF there, double capacitor. Yeah, that's that right there. 2 20 UFs right there. I'm not sure what this dude is here. 40 microfarads. What the heck is that one? 40 microfarads. I did this. Where's the other one left? Unless the guy that had this thing put in some new capacitors. The previous owner embellished this thing a bit, so I'm not quite sure where that one is. Maybe it's going to come out. I don't see it. Do you? Nope. So that could be another embellishment by the previous owner. I wonder. I don't see that one anywhere. Where does it go? It's going down to, okay, it's going to ground. It's grounded, and he did ground the right end of it. And the other end goes here. And the blue wire that it goes to, which is all burned up, goes to what? It goes out to a tube socket. It goes out to the 300 volt line. So it looks like he puts an extra capacitor in 300 volts. Or wait a minute, 300 volt line is this one here. I don't see a capacitor there. But maybe he figured it needed one. Oh, there it is. I guess I'll leave it alone. Maybe I'll take it out. That could be causing some issues on my hum problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Gonna plug this thing in and see how it works. Have a great day.